Les traditions de Noël en France. Christmas French traditions. Les décorations. On décore le sapin. On fait la crèche. So in French, like everywhere else where we celebrate Christmas, we do decorate a Christmas tree. But we also create a nativity, which we display next to the tree. What is missing from the nativity scene on the 24th and 25th are the three wise men and the camels. So those are placed elsewhere in the house, and day to day we move them towards the nativity scene until they reach the nativity scene on the 6th of January, when we finally meet Jesus for the Epiphany. On the 24th of December, some people do celebrate the Mass, the Midnight Mass, the Christmas Mass. So it used to be at midnight, but these days it's earlier, at around 9 o'clock. So people can go home and celebrate Christmas around a very long dinner. And during this dinner, we usually eat food that we won't eat during the year. So more delicate, refined, and expensive food. So usually we might have oysters and foie gras, and we can have a turkey, and we also eat a very traditional dessert called the Christmas log, la bûche de Noël, made of chocolate and chestnut. On the 24th of December, children will leave their shoes at the bottom of the tree. So we don't have stockings, but we have shoes. And the gifts are brought by le Père Noël. C'est le Père Noël qui apporte les cadeaux. And le Père Noël, also called Papa Noël, which is Father Christmas or Santa Claus in English. Le 25 décembre, les enfants ouvrent les cadeaux et on mange encore un bon repas. So on the 25th of December, children do open their presents and we will eat again a delicious lunch. Now, here you can see the Christmas log I was telling you about, or Yule log. And it's made usually of chocolate and chestnut because it is the season of the chestnuts, and it's actually a family tradition to go in the forest and record them from the ground. But depending on your family, you might actually open your presents on the 24th of December at exactly midnight. So that's the way my family used to celebrate Christmas. So we used to open our presents at midnight on the 24th. So le 31 décembre, on fait la fête. So on the 31st of December, we have a party, we party all night. And French people do love to party. They love to celebrate, they love to party, they love to dance. And it's exactly what people do. So you gather with your friends. So Christmas is more a family gathering, while New Year's Eve is more of a friends gathering. So we all get together, we party. Usually you can have dress-up parties, and it's a lot of fun. On the 6th of January, it's the Epiphany. The Epiphany. It's when the wise men arrive to meet Jesus Christ, and it's when they give gifts to baby Jesus. On this day in France, we eat la galette des rois, the king's cake, because we call the wise men the three kings. Now, this cake is made of a puff pastry, and inside there is a filling made of almond milk. It's absolutely delicious. And we hide what we called a fève, which before was a broad bean, a raw broad bean, but these days it's a little bit more, a little bit more different. Usually it's made of ceramics, and you can have all kind of fève. So here you see you have the minions, you have some miniature food, or you can have some santons, which are from the south of France, representing people in their traditional outfits. So as you can see on the picture, here you have the crown and la fève. La personne qui a le morceau avec la fève est le roi ou la reine et met la couronne sur la tête et choisit un roi ou une reine. So the person who gets the piece with la fève becomes the king or the queen of the day, and they can wear the crown, and they can even choose their own king and queen. So if you're a girl and you become the queen, you can choose your king, and if you're a man and you become the king, you can choose your queen for the day. So there is another tradition around that. The children love this tradition. Les enfants adorent cette tradition because you ask the youngest of the family, or you can also celebrate this tradition with friends or at work, but you always ask the youngest to get under the table, and this child will be the person who will decide whose person is getting a slide, a slice of the cake. And then usually when you're the parents, you're being very nice and you make sure that your youngest is getting the slice with la fève so they can become the king or the queen. So that's why it's a very fun tradition. Now, it is a tradition that actually lasts more than one day because we do celebrate la fête des rois for a whole week. So it's a whole week of eating cake, and when you're an adult and you get la fève and the crown, then you need to buy the next galette des rois, the next cake. So it's never ending. There are other French traditions around Christmas. Dans le nord et l'est de la France, les gens fêtent la Saint-Nicolas. C'est une tradition très importante que l'on retrouve en Belgique et en Allemagne. Saint-Nicolas est l'ancêtre du Père Noël. So in the north and east of France, people do celebrate Saint-Nicolas. It is a very important tradition over there, and a tradition that we find as well in Belgium and Germany. And Saint Nicholas, he's the ancestor of Father Christmas or Santa Claus. Saint Nicholas is the saint of the children. Pour la Saint-Nicolas, il y a une grande parade avec des chars, floats, dans toutes les villes qui fêtent Saint-Nicolas. La plus grande parade se situe à Nancy. Cette parade est classée au patrimoine culturel mondial immatériel d'UNESCO. Saint-Nicolas se trouve sur l'un des chariots et envoie des bonbons aux gentils enfants. Le père fouettard a à la main un fouet pour fouetter les méchants enfants. Cette tradition est très importante dans ces régions et les gentils enfants reçoivent des cadeaux ce jour-là. So for the Saint Nicholas, for the celebration of Saint Nicholas, there is a large parade with floats in all of the cities that do celebrate Saint Nicholas. The biggest is located in Nancy, and this parade is classified as the UNESCO Intangible Cultural World Heritage. Saint Nicholas is usually sitting on one of the floats, and he throws lollies to the nice children. And at the same time, there is le Père Fouettard, the whipping father. And the whipping father is dressed all in dark, and it's really the representation of the devil. And he holds in his hand a whip to whip the children who have been naughty during the year. This tradition is very important in these regions, and the nice children do receive presents on that day. So if you want, you can have a look at the Parade of Nancy. It's a video that lasts for 26 minutes. So you can look at the beginning of the video to see the launch of the parade, and skip up to when almost maybe 5 minutes towards the end, 10 minutes towards the end, 5 minutes towards the end when Saint Nicolas arrives in his float. So now I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas, Joyeux Noël, et une bonne année, et Happy New Year. Au revoir!